Good morning. Your assignment for today is to do some research on animal characteristics and then fill out an Excel spreadsheet and save to your computer. Your teachers have requested that this be saved into a file that you can access upstairs, so you need to follow the directions carefully. You'll click on PLC Pages, 4th grade. You're going to first click on here. That is your research. You're going to read all about mammals, all about reptiles, all about birds, amphibians, and fish. You will read more about this information because next week we'll be doing some more with it. So there is more information about how the babies are made for each animal animal class, how they and that's all that information right there. You can use your back button to go back. You can read more about all mammal traits, and this has all the mammal traits. This is how they breathe, various things like that, and how they're different. You'll go back again. So all of these links right here are things that you should check out. Your information next week may come from that. Okay, so once you have went and done your investigation and read all about, and that should take some time, 10-15 minutes to look through and read all the information, you can go back to our regular website. Notice I'm just using the tabs on top here to go to my website that I had open for research and the assignment. So I'll click here, and that is going to link you to an open, save, or save as. You are going to save as, and you guys are going to have to find the way that you guys should save it. You do not want to save it to your computer. You want to save it when you click on it, you will click Save As. You're going to rename it with your name. So my name is Begin Maria, and you're going to put your teacher's last name initial. So if you are Miss Roberts, you're going to put Roberts, and you will put the day that you come on. Monday is M, Tuesday is T, Wednesday is W, Thursday is R, because we can't have two T's for Tuesday and Thursday. So Thursday is R, and Friday is F. I'm not sure what day Miss Roberts comes on, so I'm going to put a R. So that is Miss Roberts on Thursday with my name, last name first. I hit save, and I'm saving it to my documents. And it's going to open it. It'll do that. It should say open. And then there's the thing that you are working on. I can tell if I named it correctly because it would be named up here. My name, Begin Maria, Miss Roberts on Thursday. And based on the information that you had, you're going to go back and forth between your research, which is up here. That gives me my research. To you're using Excel, which is this little X down here for Excel. So Excel is open. If I want to make it big, I can. And again, I can toggle back and forth between Excel and my E, which is my internet. Okay? So, you're going to use this, all this research that you've been doing, and you're going to answer the questions up here. So, mammals, are they warm or cold-blooded? You will have to type in warm or cold. Should you spell it wrong if the words are correctly spelled up here? No, you shouldn't. Should you spell it wrong if the words are correctly spelled over here? No, you shouldn't. You should make sure that you're using correct punctuation and doing your best work at all times. So you're just going to figure out whether or not amphibians are warm or cold-blooded. Answer it there. Answer how their babies are born, if they come from eggs, if they are live birth. You're going to tell me what their skin covering is. Is their skin dry? Is it scaly? Is it wet? Is it slimy? Is it covered in fur? Is it covered in feathers? So you're going to answer all those questions in here. And then at the very end, make sure that you hit save again. Because once you hit save again, that is when you are done. That would be when you should be allowed to print which we learned how to do last week. You will do File, Print. It looks different than last time. It's not in, need to do that because it has to allow you. You will hit Print, but as I noticed, this says I have 2 pages. Do I want to print out 2 pages? No. You're going to want to change it to Landscape. So it's only going to be 1 page. So when I go to print, it is 1 page. Landscape, 1 page. I'll hit print, and then you are done. So save, then print. Once you have finished all that, you are finished with that portion of the assignment. You can go back to your McFerrin page, PLC pages, 4th grade, and you can play the animal classification game, which is another one that will open. Should. It will open in another window, and you will play that. Okay, now that I have fixed the link, you will click on Animal Classification Game. I had to refresh. Animal Classification Game, and it will open up a game that you can play doing a classification. So it's simply you're going to tell me which one drops in. If it has gills, you will drop it in the correct one. Warm-blooded, that's mammal, and just play, make sure that it is correct. I hope this works for you, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.